Ditto Transcripts is a renowned transcription service provider. We are committed to delivering accurate and high-quality transcriptions across diverse fields. Our team comprises skilled transcribers who transform audio and video recordings into text with precision and efficiency. We serve clients worldwide, ranging from individuals to large corporations. Our mission is to provide a seamless and reliable transcription experience. We strive for timely delivery without compromising quality. Client satisfaction is at the forefront of our operations. We maintain strict confidentiality standards to protect client privacy. Becoming a Ditto transcriber is a straightforward process. Interested individuals can visit the careers section on our website. There you will find detailed information about available positions. To apply, click on the Apply Now button and complete the online application form. The application form requires your personal information, contact details, and transcription experience. You will also need to upload your resume and a cover letter highlighting your skills. Once you submit the application, our team will review it. You will be contacted if your profile matches our requirements. To maintain our high standards, we have specific qualifications for our transcribers. Candidates must possess excellent English language proficiency, both written and spoken. They should have a strong command of grammar, punctuation, and vocabulary. Fast and accurate typing skills are crucial. Prior experience in transcription is highly desirable. Familiarity with different accents and audio clarity levels is beneficial. We also look for individuals who are detail-oriented, organized, and capable of meeting deadlines. Ditto Transcripts offers a comprehensive range of transcription services to cater to diverse needs. Our services include general transcription for lectures, interviews, and meetings. We also provide specialized services like medical transcription, legal transcription, and academic transcription. Our team is proficient in transcribing various audio and video formats. We handle confidential information with the utmost care and discretion. Our commitment to accuracy ensures that every transcript meets the highest industry standards. Payment structure and methods at Ditto Transcripts. We offer competitive rates to our transcribers. Payment is based on the length of the audio or video file and the turnaround time. Our rates are transparent and clearly communicated to all our transcribers. We understand the importance of timely payments. Payments are processed regularly through secure and reliable platforms. Transcribers can choose their preferred payment method from options like PayPal, bank transfer, or other internationally recognized platforms. We prioritize the convenience and security of our transcribers' earnings. Ditto's global reach, where we hire. Ditto Transcripts is a global company with a diverse workforce. We hire talented transcribers from around the world. Our remote work model allows individuals from all corners of the globe to join our team. Whether you're in North America, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, we encourage you to apply. We believe that talent knows no geographical boundaries. Our inclusive hiring practices allow us to attract the best talent. Dos and don'ts for Ditto transcribers. To maintain the exceptional quality of our services, we have established clear guidelines for our transcribers. Prioritize accuracy and clarity in all your transcriptions. Proofread your work carefully before submission. Adhere to the specified deadlines. Maintain confidentiality and handle client information with discretion. Communicate promptly with the team regarding any issues or queries. Accept assignments beyond your capacity. Rush through transcriptions, compromising quality. Share confidential client information with unauthorized individuals. Hesitate to seek clarification when needed. By adhering to these guidelines, our transcribers contribute to our reputation for excellence. We value their dedication and commitment to delivering outstanding results. Conclusion: the advantages of partnering with Ditto Transcripts. Partnering with Ditto Transcripts offers numerous benefits. Our commitment to quality, accuracy, and timely delivery sets us apart. We provide a supportive and professional environment for our transcribers. Our competitive rates and secure payment methods demonstrate our appreciation for their hard work. If you are a skilled transcriber looking for a rewarding opportunity, we encourage you to apply. Join Ditto Transcripts and become a part of our global network of transcription professionals. Together, we deliver exceptional transcription solutions to clients worldwide.